through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
What's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. In today's video, we are doing our Boxycharm unboxing. As you can see, I've already done my makeup, so we're gonna do this video a little bit different. Normally, I go ahead and unbox everything and then show you guys what's in the box, but then I decided to actually just film myself putting on the products. So I will show you guys, as I'm talking about the different products, I'll show you guys clips of me applying them. I have been getting Boxycharm for over 2 years. It is a subscription makeup box that you get once a month, and this one is $21 and you get 5 full-size products. And let's go ahead and jump into today's box. So the theme of the box is Make Waves, and it comes with like this little card inside the box, and then on the back it tells you the price of everything, and it also gives you a description of everything that's in the box. So the first thing that we had in the box was a Glam Glow product, which I'm actually really excited that this came in the box. I've actually been in the market for a new cleanser, and we got the Gentle Bubble Cleanser. Gentle but make it bubbly. It's a daily conditioning gel cleanser that cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. It's supposed to be fragrance and SLS free, and it's for all skin types. And the MSRP on this is $28. I did try this morning, as you guys will see in the clip right now. It was really nice. It doesn't have like a smell or anything. It was like a very gentle scent, and it didn't seem to like irritate my skin. It didn't make my skin red or anything, and I feel like my makeup went on completely the same as it always does. So I am looking forward to continuing to try out the Glam Glow. I do like their masks, and so I was excited to get this in our box. The next thing that we had was blush trio. It's like this little blush. This is from Alamar Cosmetics, which is actually a friend. I'm not sure if you guys watch Kathleen Lights, but it's actually Kathleen Lights' friend who actually made this. I think her name's Amelia, and so this is her makeup brand, and it is a little trio of blushes. They're very, I'd say, like subtle kind of blushes, which I like. I did, as you can see in the footage right now, I put on the color Paraso, and then that was really light for the look that I'm doing today. I am going to be going out and shooting later on today my neon look, so I did do kind of like crazy makeup. That's why my makeup looks crazy, but that was kind of like subtle. So then I went ahead and went into Scorcher, and I feel like that kind of like brightened it up a little bit. And then the other color is Castaway. Like I said, they're more like peachy blushes, which I really like. That's my favorite kind of color of blush. I feel like that looks really great on my skin, and it says that it was an MSRP of $22, and I'm happy. I can always use new blushes, especially the peach blushes. And we've had Alamar Cosmetics in the past, and I did like the eyeshadow palette and the brushes that we got from them. So I'm excited that we got this in our Boxycharm. The next thing that I'm seeing in the box is something that I didn't actually use today because I had a look in mind, but I will show you guys a swatch of it. It is from Ciate London, which we've gotten in the box before, and it is called the Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow, and it's in the color Cupid. This is really pretty, and it's supposed to be a cream eyeshadow, but I think it's more of like a eyeshadow topper. It's not really one that you would want to wear on its own. This is something that you would want to wear over something, in my opinion. It's like this really pretty like duochrome pinky purple gold color, and as it shifts it changes like different colors, which I do like it a lot. But as I said, I was going for a neon look today, so this really wouldn't have gone with the look I was going for, but I will try this out on a different day. It's supposed to have fallout free, and it's supposed to be lightweight, so it does dry down to a matte, and it didn't flake off or anything. So I feel like if you like to wear light colors on your lid, then I think this would look really good, maybe over like a white color or like over a gold, because it does like have a nice shift to it. But as I said, I didn't wear it today, and then this is what it looks like when it dries down. I wouldn't say it's opaque or anything. You definitely, I think, need to wear something underneath it, so keep that in mind if you guys do want to try this out. MSRP of this is $22 if I didn't mention that. The next thing in the box is a Bodyography eyeliner pencil. I don't think we've tried Bodyography in the past. I don't remember ever seeing this brand before. We got an eye pencil in the color Emerald, which is like a pretty like turquoisey blue green, and I actually am wearing that today on my eyes in my waterline, and as you can see, I will show you guys in the footage of me trying it on. This is supposed to be a vegan, cruelty-free, I think they messed up on this one. It says vegan, cruelty-free bodyography lip pencil infused with coconut oil, vitamin E, long wearing, glides on effortlessly, and fill in and defines your lips. This is not a lip pencil. I don't know why they're saying it's a lip pencil. It's an eye pencil, so I think Boxycharm actually messed up on this, but the MSRP is $14. I don't recommend putting this on your lips. I just don't think it's for your lips. So this is definitely an eyeliner pencil. It did glide on really nicely on my waterline. I didn't have any problems with it, so I think I will definitely be using this more in the future. It did make my eyes water, and if you guys didn't know, I do have sensitive eyes, so I feel like this is a nice little eyeliner pencil. The last thing that we have in the box is the Dose of Colors lipstick. It's the lipstick that I'm wearing today. It's the Dose of Colors Color Revolution Pinky Promise Liquid Matte Lipstick. So I'm guessing Pinky Promise is the color that it's in. As you can see, it is a bright neon pink color, which I'm actually excited about because this totally goes with the eye makeup look that I was doing today. So I am happy that we got this in our box because I can wear it today for my photo shoot. I've never tried Dose of Colors before. It's not sticky. I'd say definitely dried down matte. It feels comfortable on my lips. It doesn't feel like cracky or cakey or anything. It says it's cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and vegan. It applies a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish, which I would agree it is comfortable. And the MSRP on this is $18, which I could definitely see paying for this lipstick. I will say it is very, 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 very bright pink. So if you're not into like a bright neon pink, I don't think I would wear this on a daily basis. Definitely not. I would wear it for like photo shoots and stuff like this. But yeah, I don't think I will get a lot of use out of this lipstick, but it does serve a purpose for the look that I'm doing today. So, I mean, my final thoughts on this box. I feel like this box was kind of a letdown. I've had many boxes that have been a lot better than this one. I would say out of 5, I give this box like a 3. I don't feel like there was anything that was like, oh my god, I'm so excited about. I would say the only thing that I'm excited about would be the Glam Glow face wash because I have been needing one of those and I do like the Glam Glow products. So I'm excited to try out their cleanser. The thing that I don't really care too much about was the lipstick, only because I'm not a huge fan of the color. I mean, it works for what I'm wearing today, but like I don't think I'll get a lot of use out of this color because it's so neon pink. And then not a huge fan of the eyeshadow, like the cream eyeshadow. I just don't think it's a color that I'm really going to use. Not a huge fan of this box. I will use the blushes and I will use the cleanser, but other than that, it's just kind of a womp kind of box. Not every box can be a winner, so if you have not tried Boxycharm, I am not affiliated with them or anything, but I do order it. I spend my own money on the boxes and I really love it. It's only $21 a month and you get to try out 5 full-size products every single month. So I paid $21 for this box and the total MSRP for this box was $104. I think paying $21 for something that's worth $104 is a really good value. Please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm Amanda Yasmin89. I always have my Instagram linked in the description box below. I post there every single day about makeup and plus size fashion. Also, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because I post 3 times a week. I post on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And as always, remember, be your own kind of beautiful, and toodles for now. How are you guys feeling about my look right now? If you're wondering why my hair is in braids and you guys never see my hair in braids, it's because I'm trying to make my hair crimped for my photo shoot today. So I'm trying to go for like kind of an 80s look. I mean, I'm obviously not going to be wearing this, but my hair is wet and I don't want it dripping on my head. So I'm going to go for like a neon 80s look, and I felt like crimping my hair would be really cool because I didn't really want to do a curly, but I thought crimping it might look really cool. So fingers crossed, be on the lookout for that. I think we're posting it on Friday. This video will be going up, I think, on Wednesday. So you guys should see this photo shoot pretty soon, and I'm excited to shoot it, you guys. It's gonna be really fun. I love doing creative things, and I think this is one of my most creative Instagram posts that I've done, and I really, really like it. It's really fun, and I like bright colors, so get ready to see it. All right, I gotta go, you guys. Bye.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And